Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mixed fruit salad. First, select a vibrant assortment of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about combining different colors and textures for visual appeal and taste. Always remember to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool running water before you begin any cutting. Finally, gather your essential tools: a sturdy cutting board, a sharp knife, and a spacious mixing bowl. Now, let's prepare our chosen fruits. Begin by carefully peeling and coring any fruits that require it, such as apples, pears, or pineapple. Next, cut all your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier to eat and ensures a consistent texture. Once cut, gently combine all the prepared fruits in your large mixing bowl, ready for the next step. A simple dressing elevates your fruit salad. In a small bowl, squeeze the fresh juice from one lemon or lime. This adds a bright, zesty flavor. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup for a natural sweetness that complements the fruits. Whisk these 2 ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined, creating a light and refreshing dressing. The final steps bring everything together beautifully. Pour the freshly prepared dressing evenly over your mixed fruits in the large bowl. Next, gently toss the fruit salad, ensuring every piece is thoroughly coated with the delicious dressing. For the best flavor and a refreshing experience, chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving it to your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.